Hello, my name's Felicia and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I like to make a solar plexus smoothie. So what I'll be using is some almond milk, bananas, hemp seeds. So hemp seeds are superfood. They're anti-inflammatory, so they help with inflammation. And then they also have a lot of protein, so it's a good source of plant protein. It's also good for your heart and your brain and keeping the immune system healthy. Next, I'll be using some coconut oil, some chia seeds, bee pollen. So bee pollen is also a really good anti-inflammatory. It's also an antioxidant. It's good for your liver, and it helps reduce stress and speed up healing. Okay, I got some frozen mangoes I'll be using, and some vanilla protein powder that I got in Mexico. This looks pretty cool. Okay, so you'll notice that the foods I'm using are either yellow or brown, and that's because those are the colors associated with the solar plexus. So these foods are good at balancing your solar plexus. First, I'm going to pour my almond milk. I don't know, I pour about 12 ounces. I just eyeball it. Okay, and then next I'm going to put in some mango. I only use a little bit of fruit, so I'm gonna put about a quarter cup. And again, I'm just eyeballing it. It's like a few chunks of mango. And then I'm only using half a banana. So I made a smoothie last night and I used half a banana. So I'm gonna use the other half. So I try to stay low sugar, high protein, and high fats in my smoothie. I'm about to break my fast right now. It is 12:37 right now in Tulum. So I'm gonna break my fast with a smoothie. Okay, next I'm gonna put some coconut oil that I got here in Mexico. This is my hotel apartment in Mexico in Tulum. I'm staying here for a month and it's awesome. Okay, so that's about like a little more than half a tablespoon. Okay, and then the rest of the stuff I like to throw in there while it's blending because I don't like my protein powder getting stuck to the side, so I just throw it in the middle of this while it's blending. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, and then I just look at the thickness to see if I want to add more almond milk or anything, but I like the consistency, so I'm done. So I got my big glass here. Okay, and then when I'm finished, I like to sprinkle a little bit more bee pollen on top. And I am all done. Cheers. So good. Like I said, I only used a little bit of fruit. And I feel like the bee pollen adds a lot of sweetness to it, so it is really good. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video of making a solar plexus smoothie. If you have any questions or want me to expound on anything else, let me know. And again, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.